Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, it's been a while since I uploaded, but we've been a bunch of snow, as you can see. We actually used to have way more. It melted yesterday, and then we got about probably 5 more inches last night. So yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded because I couldn't go dirt biking because obviously there's snow on the ground. But I picked this up. I got a 2001 MXZ 700 ZX chassis, of course. It's a great sled. I love this thing. Very good sled. That's my brother's. It's 583. It's a 95 583. But yeah, this thing is fun and fast. It was one owner sled. Still has the original track on it, which I gotta get a new one. That thing is so bad on ice. But yeah, show you under the hood. It's dirty because I took it for a spin already, but twin cylinder 700, oil injected. It's got it's carbureted, so it's got DPM though. It does have I don't know if you can see it from this side, but it's got V-Force 3 reeds, so that's nice. Those are installed by the previous owner. It's got 15,231.7 kilometers on it. Yes, I do live in Canada. Everything's kilometers. The hood, it's got a little crack there and then a little one right there. So, and then the windshield's buggered, but over the summer, when I'm not snowmobiling, I'm gonna get a new windshield. I'm gonna get someone to plastic weld this hood here. Oh, it looks like someone already did. Right there. I'm gonna fix that up. Do a couple more little things. I wanna get a new track on it. It's got good skis and carbides on it already. Fire it up. Runs nice. Still got the full stock exhaust on there. It doesn't have reverse electric start. I think it's a sport model or whatever they call it. It's got the upgraded suspension in the front and rear and a couple other little things. What's cool is it's serial number 2. It's the second one made in 02, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, I picked it up just town 5 minutes from our house. It was a good deal. I actually, this year I had a 1996 Grand Touring 580, but I was the only one on it, so it wasn't really, I didn't really like the touring sled on the trails. It didn't corner well. It was a little bit tippy, so I got this. I like it. It's fast, it's fun. It was original owners, maintained well. That Skidoo oil ran through it its whole life. Just needs a couple little things here and there to make it mint. I think I may have to redo the pull cord. It's not recoiling too good, so may have to get a new one of those. And then yeah, just cleaned up a little bit. So I'm going to right now, I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm gonna clean it off so you can see it when it's nice and clean. Alright, that's it for now. I'm just gotta take some more stuff apart, and I'll do that in another video. So I got it cleaned up pretty alright on one side here, right here. I'll show you. Right here. I still gotta do the bottom yet, but I got this cleaned up. The engine's looking pretty good. Got the oil container looking, or the oil reservoir looking nice and clean. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.